Roma era when he was all only, but so smart, so strong. Yes, the family always together, have more and more. It's Nemo, what are you doing? I know, he wants to do something. What?
He want to get him some.
Yeah!
Alright friends, it's time for something good news now. We're going to be giving all the Dolphins sprinting out there for one person after 2 minutes. But for now, it's lucky draw time. Before the show, some people call it small football. If you have to see football,
And the NBA sky. Say B, say J, say what?
friends, everybody, keep your eyes on the ball. Everybody, attention. Wait. Okay, so let's go for it. Everybody get set now. Hands up in the air. 1, 2, 3. Throw the ball. Throw it in the water. Okay? Here they come. To look around, they got the ball. If that's a football, congratulations.
Goal number 45.